Too much age other form ma obibia akwaba ede eba gana wahala dwumedie yi eso muni aba ekesi kapa ne nso magime edwe na se minim se Ghana hanom sei dane da yempanyimfa na celebrities o mo percent samontu obi ansana won so so manya bibi ede aye dia trendy say obi how obi breakthrough wobi amane obi anigye wobi sun obi abrawo obi nkunidie abusuafo ye nua bema wo wu ya enu adametre set from pon ni buoyi ama ye nua bema nimtuni abrantie Same brother Same wababontin na chese nensem odi abetu edwade abusuafo esewani ensese ye kan ede echo na mama yimbunra ensem no emu enrada ena ebeto edwa ese enimtuni awosanso Reverend set Frempon waka enchine agu abra aduane esiso papa yi enkrofo ni no bebre mra wo ba ye no dodo na efre no dancing prophet eno chese din ankrofo edi enim no emra wo obo okum chola ansa asofo no ono ansoso ena bom ade anyame aka enkosi aga chese obo enum bebre mi riso manim onya mi riso mi kunimdie sa ye nua be ma set Frempon wono ne ho asem ena meka emra wo ka enchini egu ye busuafo babonti ebebekire mu ese ye nua be meyi na obi a oye diabetic patients no what diabetes esichire yare ana chese wode ekon enkakra enu biemu susu no say ye bedridden na enu no mu chimu se emra wo yare ye ni nyina no adofo omo mu de wo manu hu no say like omo ye omo ni tu papa ise bi a oye omo mentor na se bibisa no wo bia ama mehwe na abusuafo papa ye ka ne ho ase mu be kai abada Same de wa fa ne say ne papa ne mentor wo bia o looking up to him ewa enumto adwuma komu na emra beto edwa se papa yi akanchine agu abraduane esiso no chese brother Same etse ye no na wo hu de wonye ne ho eni esu pan de wasu bi wo mu pan se ni bre wo a enso janka be hu pan se papa yi wasu ma ne nya ye ko wasu ebi na no na chese ye ne twetwe nkomo ye no se eno mewo na wawo no aha no ahye no kra ye papa because obi a na nko wo hwe no esua no wo nwunto mu obi a ode nani to ne so obi ohun ne se like oye ne backbone wo kire na wo timi ekonkan epan na se watimi ewu abra wantimi ni na ndi ahia ndi enkrakrampo kakrampo dia na chese akwakọ yara wo se mo beka ya wone brother Same krampo remix ewo nenwum adansidie ehun sa enyum no wone brother Same ena na abusuafo se da brother Same ababonten na obabonten no do de ababetu edwa se wo release enyum awode ema ye nua bema ye papa Reverend set Frempon na nenwom awode ema no no na Ghana for si na wo sa na wo tentinka papa na enwu dia account mi release nyom tama wo hia mu ni nyina mo abia mo antimi anko wo fe ya wo na fe na mo be kire se ane mo wo odo ede ema na busua mo ma ye nkonkotie enwom a ye nua bema brother Same episode release ede ema set Frempon ni buo no ehu
na what are we can freestyle. Aye, Papa said, "Clamia, I'm tough and crammy, or some way. I'm eventually away the dolly is there. Which I will go to find one. Oh, I have a Saturday, you pardon. I don't know, I'm a and I may never want it. Set o ba kope odo ba kope odi fo ba kopa odi fo se wan kra no set wan kra obia lion fele se wan kra no sami juga so papa wan kra me odi se obia
for way any a year and brother Sami a release a day ama a young papa reverend said from Pong I was a year and to new gospel musician way any and you matches were release a day a man into a home popo ye and our boy a day a chile and none gonna 14 say hey papa no yare that demon why and a see one more the 4 bay and a see one a coco buano nipa ben ena kwa ye kokoye na droya na so o man ko hu se okohye ni nkrama ye hu se ebia bibi pa bi ewo hode man afi ya wowuo no na mo ba be yi monim ase de mo pe na ase bia mo nya na Ghana fo eye sa nyoma no mo pe ne ye edodo we amate se Ghana fo bebre a kire wo mo adwen na eno e ma ye nua eye mami esel e de wode e ba ye say when he needed your help no one show up. Stop the hypocrisy please. This wouldn't go anywhere. You singing a song to him is not going to do anything for him. He's dead and gone. He's not going to hear the song that you've released for him. So please keep it to yourself. And also so Eden was saying ya chum. Mo dey Ghana for the nya chum pa dey mo ya dey wo hu papa. Hey, enti mutimi ye mo ho se dey ase dey bibi nko so bia ma papa ya dey wan pa netimi ko boa no. Why ene timi koko boa no ekohye ne kwan ekoka akasa de bi ede kire no bekompra na ya adwendwen etete ne wo haw wo hwe se de na wo sisuo wo timi sa wo bugi dance ede mama na wani gi no ho na sensem oka dem na wo bia yi ne totwena eno krampo abro krampo ka ho bi ena eku papa no enkonko ye ne sichi yare no nko anase bibia ebia na abro krampo eka ho bi enti eye brother Sami no nyum na wo bo ede ema no waye na dwo be release ede ema no wonja kwana papa no wa samando enya de se wo bete enyo no ama na bebe yi na ya na se wakase wa ya de enti wonjai na we nyina enya atwom ho enema yenia eye Alexandra the Great edia wode eba your same. The family said you people couldn't help him when he needed your help, so stop that crocodile tears, brother Sami, and so on. We don't need your condolences anymore. So achena doing edia fun was say papa wo hia mo just dodo na ejina said na papa no enke wo se wo mo na nko mo nyunto mu no anko mo kɔ na emwa na so mo bɔ na obebi na so wo mo anye afi owu ye ena ye ba be hye eye crocodile tears nti ene brother Sami dodo na etwa ede bɔ no ye ne bi so de odi ba ni di enka wo se rest in peace man of God till we meet again. God richly bless you for all the songs that you brought on board. We really enjoyed it and we will always remember you. And so dear yeah fancy edia wode eba ye or say I really love his song pa that me reason. But wait, what is brother Sami doing? Please again, you people, you are too hypocrites. You do things when people are no more. When the person is alive, you couldn't do anything for him. Now that he is gone, you are now coming out to do like you were there for him all the time. Please let us be. So edia wode eba ye and on a miracle edia wode eba was him. Brother Sami, there is no time for joke. We don't need your joke this time because we've lost something good, something important. We never knew that this man was bedridden. We never knew that he was sick until his death came out. So please let us mourn our death. And also so edia our day eba ye and one do say papa wo yare ye just Ghana for wo bia mama me kashe wo bia mama me bambo ntia me kase ebia sofo set eye frimpon oyare anase wo wakọ how bi mu anase say wo bia amba bonten ameka hwe amfanfa ho na ma enwa bia nka obi won watimi ade den aye ade abo wo wu ye de ene watimi aba bonten ba be kase nipa na guo ade na Ghana eye bad news ni ye pen spreading echen eye good ones aye betimi aboa e wo ho enti brother Sami say de ye hia no eye na nyumtu obia on kana no ntu na ye mo ne eye ye dead we ene eye adwenchen krofo ede eba ye efa brother Sami nyoma wo present wo release ede ema ye nua bema waka enchine ego wada ne benku so reverend set from pon no ehun because do na hu ne say senka bibi anto obi a wo bi ensusu entimi enya kwan emeye de ema bontime meye bibi emfanfa ho Ghana hypocrisy no ano eden dodo abusuafo won so wagyenkyerɛ fa ensem yi hu ene sen for wagyenkyerɛ ebetutu ma GH your comment section ebiem so chef mu abusuafo all the social media platforms say your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter. Na emrepem no making kind a day. I'm a mama rain fees so sa obe like me din any equia sikapa makramo.